Today, it's June, ano ngayon?
15.
June 15, 2024, and we're going to stay at the Coronado Hotel. First time namin doon, and doon kami magse-celebrate ng Father's Day this year. Siyempre, kasama natin yung mga bulilits. Ayan. So, ready na kaya?
Yeah.
How about you, Megan, Shane? Ready na. Ayan, isang maliit na luggage lang yung dala natin kasi dyan lang naman tayo sa may Coronado. And yeah, nakahat ako kasi mainit na today here. Nantay na lang natin si Daddy. So, doon tayo magstay. Overnight lang. So, tomorrow afternoon, uwi na rin kami dito. Gusto lang mag-beach nung dalawa. Tsaka swimming sa pool. Hopefully, mainit na yung water. We'll see you guys later doon pag nagpunta kami. Okay? Bye-bye! Ayan, kami po ay naliligaw at maglalakad sa initan. Napakalayo po pala. Mali pang aming binabaan. Ayan si Megan po. Ayan si Megan. Ayan. Kaso ginagawa ngayon yung Hotel del Coronado. Hinagawa siya ngayon. Pero ito na yung beach. There's the beach. Megan, Megan, where? Hey, where is it? Over there? Ayun nga naman yung beach. Medyo malayo yung inikutan namin, pero okay lang. So, try natin. Kasi first time namin dito mag-hotel. So, we'll see what it looks like inside. Okay. Saan ba entrance? Dun pa yata. Ikot pa tayo. Hi, Megan! Ayan, nandito na kami sa loob ng Hotel Coronado. Mag-check-in na si Daddy. Megan! Check-in na si Daddy. Here pala. Ang dalawang bata. Mink. Ang dalawang bata. Nagtatakbo-takbunan sila. Ito yung hotel inside. It's so peaceful. Are you excited?
Yes.
You wanna go to the beach and swim?
I want to go in the pool.
You wanna go in the pool?
Fly to come?
Yeah. Marami lang ginagawa ngayon, pero ayan.
Jump, I said.
Don't jump! Why? Are you excited? Are you hungry? Over there. Oh, there's this ice skating. Ay, the roller skate. They have roller skate in summertime, so you can go roller skate. Over there.
Yeah, let me go there.
You can do roller skate. Till what time?
Check lang natin.
Hindi naman tayo marunong, Sophie. Hindi naman tayo marunong. Let's go. Wanna go swim or you wanna eat dessert?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Follow mo nga ito, ma'am. Nawala ako sa direction.
So, ito yung kanilang map.
Swimming.
Ito yung mapa.
Wala ice cream? Ha?
And then, we're in the lobby. So, we're gonna go down and go there. The Spa Cabanas. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. O, diba mga first timer, nagkakahanda, hilo-hilo at lito-lito. Pero dito kami pupunta sa The Spa Cabana. So, let's go.
Kaya, mami.
Hindi kayo kasya ni ate. Go. Oh, dito.
Ah, dyan ba? Oo nga.
Ito yata. Ito. Located in the Cabanas. So, we go here. Ganyan talaga pag mga first timer. Malilito-lito ka muna.
Di ba doon?
Maliligaw-ligaw ka muna.
Diba
Mali-mali pa. Ayan, dyan daw. Nalito na ang Daddy. Kita mo na. Where's the Sophie? Ayan, the Cabanas.
Bababa tayo.
Ayan, the Cabanas. Dito tayo mag-stay. Oh. Ayan. Ready na sila.
Between. Kids, you wanna go down?
Up. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly. Shane. Here. Go, Megan. Hi.
Wala na.
Ang ganda oh.
Yung mami may number.
Ang ganda ng ganito. Mommy. Mommy, look. Megan said, Mommy, look. Over here. Oops.
Okay, go. Use
This
it.
one.
Where's the card?
And Sophie's gonna do it.
Mark. Okay, that's it. Mami, go.
This
Open the light. Where's the... So, here's our room. So, room tour na tayo agad-agad. So, yan. Pagpasok. There's a big mirror over here. Big mirror. And then on this side,
There's no bathtub.
there is the bathroom, I think. There's the light. Let's turn on the light. And here's their bathroom. Nice. So they have a shower, standing shower. And then there is the toilet. Here's Daddy.
Hi.
And then here there is a big... Oh, you remove your shoes. Why you remove your shoes? And then here on this side there is a cabinet for your clothes and everything. And then ito yung sa loob. Meron dalawang queen size ba to?
Dalawang 2 queen.
Dalawang queen size bed. And then there is a balcony. Over here, there's a balcony. Wow!
Someone's calling you.
Si Daddy.
Sige.
Ah.
Sorry mo.
Hello, Daddy. Si Daddy ko.
Hello, bro.
Happy
Hello.
Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Jerwin.
I don't want to fly higher than you. It's okay. How can I know?
Okay na, mami. Nakagain.
You don't need to run.
Nakagain na ng momentum.
No, just stay here like this.
Yan, stay there. Sophie, are you okay? Hmm.
It's flying away.
Flying away. Ah. Kite. Go, Megan. What are you doing? Okay. Si ate. Yan po yung kite namin. Mataas na. Mataas ang lipad. Na.
Ako naglaro. Megan.
Go! Run! Go! Run!
Megan, don't put your hands in your...
Go! Run! Here! Lamig! Mami, cold. Take it cold. Go, go, go. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh, 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 are you okay? Oh, oh, oh. Woohoo! Woo! Let's go, Sophie, dali! Dali, dali! Go, 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 go! Kain na kayo? You gonna eat the chips?
Yeah.
Kaya po natira sa aming binili. Sandwich na ubos na. Go, mami. One more kay Megan. One more kay Megan.
Lalabag?
Ah, sige.
Hindi daw lalabag, hindi daw lalabag.
Good job. Yan si ate, ano ka ate? Oh, tingnan si ate. Ayan. Good job. Megan, you like it?
Yeah.
It's warm?
Yeah.
Si ate ah. Eat well mga kiddos.
Megan, you want pasta?
How about you, Sophie?
You want pasta?
What?
What do you want to eat?
I don't know. Maybe we can.
Wow, look at her.
Happy Father's Day!
Thank you. What do you say, Megan? Happy Father's Day. Ikaw, Sophie, say Happy Father's Day.
Hi, Megan! We're now in Saria. Daddy's Father's Day celebration. It's nice here. Nakalimutan ko yung camera ko. So, dito na ako mag-video sa cellphone. So, ayan yung ating view. So, after namin mag-swimming, nagbanlaw na sa room. Buti nakaabot kami sa reservation dito.
We're in Saraya restaurant,
Which means,
it's mermaid.
in Portuguese.
Wait,
In Portuguese. You're so pretty, ate.
Bebe. Cheers. Good.
Cheers, Megan. Here's yours.
Yummy?
What's the taste?
Good job. Here's Megan busy eating lemon.
Masarap na rin.
Sarap.
Baha. Ito ba?
Si lemon na naman.
Yes. The kakavya is so good. So good. Pati yung risotto nila, yung mushroom risotto, it's really, really good. This combo ay pack. Pack na pack.
Pak na pak. Yummy.
Hi guys! So, ayan, nandito na ulit kami sa room. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Hindi ko nadala tong camera na to. Pero meron kaming clips sa cellphone, sa mga cellphone namin. And, kumain kami sa Saraya. Which is meaning, sa Serena daw ba? Ano?
A mermaid
in Portuguese. Oh, ayan. Mermaid in Portuguese. So, ayan. Nakapamtulog na kami. We're ready to sleep na. Oh, ayan na yung mag-amad. Silang dalawa tabi. Kaming dalawa ni Megan doon. Nantok na din si Megan. Say good night!
Night.
Good night! Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Thank you.
Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good night!
Is from Sophie for Father's Day. And I open it. To Daddy from Sophie. Happy Father's Day.
Let me hold it.
And then open the bottle,
Yeah.
Sophie.
Let's open it.
Okay, what's this? Dear Daddy, you are the best in our family. You always tickle me and hug me and massage me. You always provide the things we needed. You always help me. Olaf is my favorite Disney character.
Yeah.
And then Godzilla.
I don't know.
And who's this? Hello Kitty?
No.
Who's this?
I forgot who was it.
Huh? Who's this?
Oh, it's Meow from the...
See me out?
Yeah, from the Pokemon.
Good job.
I read it. Wait.
I know you. Your favorite movie is Pokemon. Good job, Sophie. Study.
Hello guys, good morning. And happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. There's si Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day too.
Yeah. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Second day namin dito. Okay naman yung sleep namin. And ayan yung aming view. Now, what do you say to Daddy?
Happy
Happy
Father's
Daddy.
Day. Good job.
Yay! Good job. Nag-buy na si Daddy ng food natin. Let's see what he bought.
Sandwich for us.
Sandwich.
Eat that.
It's si Megan. Yeah, Megan gonna eat din that one. Okay. And may binigay si Sophie gift kay Daddy. Letter. Okay. Gonna eat? Gonna eat? Okay.
I'm gonna eat this too.
Hello guys, ayan, naka-bis na kami and magti-tiktok na kami today bago kami mag-check out. Ito yung dalawang chikililits. Chikililit number 1 and the chikililit number 2. Chikililit! So, yan, paalis na kami sa hotel pero magsa-sunblock muna kami kasi mainit sa labas. So, currently, we're using this one for the kids and para din sa amin for the face. Yan. So, mineral sunscreen stick from, hindi ko alam kung paano bigkasin pero ayan yung brand. Tapos, SPF 50, fragrance-free, water-resistant, 80 minutes, broad spectrum. So, SPF 50 siya. So, mineral sunscreen siya for the kids as well. So, zinc dioxide, 21% yung active ingredient niya. So, we'll try it na kilamigan ng Sophie and sa amin ni Daddy. Madali siya i-glide, pero medyo may pagka-sticky ng konti kasi may squalene siya. Nakaka-moisturize siya ng face. Then after, we need to blend it lang like this. Wala siya. Let's go over here. It's my turn naman. Easy to glide. Wait lang. So, ko ba kayo ilalagay? Yan, para siyang Vaseline. May pagka-sticky siya. Pero moisturizing as well. Pero kung ayaw niyo ng mga sticky na ganito, mas maganda yung Lux Organics sa Philippines. Maganda yun. Hindi siya sticky, madali din ma-absorb. Pero hindi ako sure kung pwede yun sa kids kaya ayan, naghanap kami ng pwede sa kids. Yan, pag may mga dry patches, kaya maganda to kasi hindi niya na-emphasize yung dry patches na ma-moisturize niya pa yung skin. Ano siya? May lagkit factor nga lang. Resistant siya, so kahit basain ko siya, parang siyang parang Vaseline nga, yung ganyan, no? Yung ganyan siya. Actually, yung Baby Ganix, maganda siya kahit na may white cast yun. Maganda siya ang gamitin lalo pag magbi-beach kayo or ma-expose kayo sa sobrang tagal sa under the sun. Kasi napansin namin kahapon, yung kahit may white ka siya, kahit ilang beses siya mabasa, hindi talaga natatanggal o hindi nare-remove yung sunscreen. Kasi makita mo talaga na may sunscreen ka sa balat, literal. Kasi sobrang puti talaga niya. Pero okay lang kasi at least after namin mag-swimming, ang tagal namin din sa initan kahapon. Hindi kami nasunog. Wala talagang sunog effect. So, yeah guys. Bye! Yan guys, ready na kami mag-check out. Bye na sa hotel.
Bye-bye. I clean up this one and make it
Ni-clean up daw ni ate yung kanyang bed.
And look at Megan's. It's dirty.
Bye-bye na sa hotel. Bye, Megan.
Bye-bye, hotel.
Okay. Some of the pictures from Hotel del Coronado way back in kailan ba ito?
Na-video mo yung film.
Ito yung previous, yung pool nila dati. So, iyan pa rin. Yung mga kids. Okay guys, so nalaman namin na sa Kate Morgan pala yung ghost na nagmumulto dito sa Hotel del Coronado. So, hindi naman siya talaga namatay dito sa hotel. So, sa beach siya. Tapos, na-shot siya ng gun. Pero until now, yung mystery kung paano siya namatay, hindi pa rin alam. So, yun.
Wow, see? Strawberry. That's it, yeah. That's it. Thank you. You like it? Megan, yummy?
Just take this.
Both men, see you. Happy Father's Day 2024. Hello, kids. TikTok again. One, two, three, smile. Click, click.
So, nag-iikot-ikot kami ngayon dito sa Coronado. Checking lang yung mga shop. Sophie! Hi here. Let me go inside. Ang mga bata nakakita na naman ng candy shop.
Tell them what's that.
Rock
Rock candy. There's a lot of candies here. There's warships and submarine. There's a lot of chocolates here. Again, how did you?
I love these.
Again, let's see. Again.
What color? Pink. Purple. Rock candy.
Good job. What does it taste like?
Good.
Good? Yeah. Good job. Is it hard or what? Candy?
I actually have to bite it.
Is it lollipop? Yeah. How about you, Megan? Is it good?
Yeah.
We are in
Sophie, here. Megan, your shirt. Come again.
Twist.
It's like this. Ano blue eh. Sabi ka na siya hagin. Ang gusto mo siya, no?
Wala ko pang ganyan. Isa pa.
Alam, blue na naman.
I got
this one? Wait a minute. That's the
Pipihitin
pink
natin.
one. You want that? I'll go. Go, one more. Go, pihit.
One?
Go, Sophie.
One more?
Go. Ana?
Good job, Sophie. Which one is that?
No, I'll open it later.
One more.
Mamahali pa si Megan ng
Press it.
This
Yeah,
be matcha.
good
It's actually so
job.
good.
Press.
Matcha is so good.
Go, press.
Yeah, it's actually matcha.
Yeah, go more. Yay!
I knew it was gonna be matcha.
Good job, Megan. Matcha.
You wanna open it?
Ano, hindi na kaya. Sige.
Pipilitin niyo pa rin doon. Ganyan na lang, ganyan.
Yan. Good job.
Hi, Megan.
What do you want now?
I want
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Video lang.
Red light.
Go, Sophie!
Okay, go!
Si Megan, talo si Megan.
What? What? Sophie,